Ensure accurate speed readings with the ATP Speedometer Cable, designed to replace worn-out or malfunctioning cables in your vehicle. Speedometer cables connect the speedometer to the transmission, and over time, old cables can bind, break, or slow down. The best way to resolve this issue is by replacing the old cable with a new, high-quality one like ATP's. This replacement cable is engineered to fit and function just like the original, ensuring long-lasting durability and smooth performance. Included with the cable is Cable Lube to make installation easier and ensure optimal function. Whether you're driving a classic car or a more modern model, this cable will restore your vehicle's speedometer to its full performance. No more sluggish or inaccurate speed readings. Simply attach the cable to the transmission and the speedometer, and your speed will be displayed correctly once again. ATP speedometer cables are built for durability, offering a reliable, cost-effective solution for your vehicle's speedometer needs. It's time to replace that old, worn-out cable and get your speedometer back in action. Click the link in the description to order today and get your vehicle running smoothly.